Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's resume from what we last stopped. Okay, so I'll launch Fusion, and if you are a student, this you can access Fusion for a year by using your proof of student or something, a college issued ID card or something, and get access of Autodesk Fusion and other Autodesk softwares for about 1 year, and then you can renew it every year until you are a student. So yeah, getting back to our work, let's resume it. Yeah, that's where we are, right? Okay, so the next component would be U-bolt. So make a new component and rename it. Perfect. Now, okay, before that, make this active, and again, hmm, yeah, we need a plane for the U-bolt. So do that, and the sketch is not visible exactly. So we need to go into the rectangular plate component and the sketches inside it and make it visible. Okay, there we are. Now select this line, and that's the plane we need. That's the plane we're going to make the U-bolt on. So make sure it's exactly perpendicular to the horizontal plane and click OK. Perfect. Now disable the sketch again, back to U-bolt, and create a new sketch on this plane. Great. Now disable all the unneeded things. Okay, except this one maybe. Now first draw a construction line just for helpful purposes, and after that draw an arc. Okay, we do not need this construction, so good. Now we drew it randomly, right? We need to make this symmetric now, so select symmetry here, or you can select it here. Okay, and that's done. Perfect. After that, yeah, dimension this of 2.5 radius. Perfect. Now draw two lines and make them equal. Okay, okay, that's something missing. I'll undo the both lines and redo it again. Yeah, okay, that's where the problem has come. This line is becoming equal to this construction line, so it's still becoming equal. How is that? Just select this and press delete. Okay, if that is a common problem for you too, and make another line and make them both equal. Okay, okay, sorry, I have been miss I mistook this constant as equal. This is parallel and this is equal, right? So equal. Perfect. Now what do we need? Yeah, tangent. Apply the tangent constraints here and here and here and here. Perfect. Now these lines are exactly going through this circle from the middle, from the center. Okay, that's good. After this, we need something more. Hmm. Okay, before finishing sketch, create another construction line in here. Okay, now finish the sketch. Okay, now create another plane using this line and make this plane horizontal, so 90 degrees. Okay, click OK, and on this plane create a circle. Okay, wait. Create a sketch on this plane. Okay, yeah, perfect. On this plane, now click on the circle and press P for project, and click OK. Project this circle basically, and that's it. Now it's projected. Okay, this is the plane and the circle has been projected onto our plane. Now that's it. Finish the sketch. Okay, now just a minute. Yeah, that's looking better now. So that's something with the view, orthographic view and perspective view. The perspective view is more like uh, how it looks in reality. But orthographic view is better for constructing and actually comparing it to each other. I mean, the geometry and all. So make sure you are in orthographic view mode while constructing. Now select the sweep tool. If you can't find it here, you will be needing to find it. Okay, yeah, here. And select this circle, and as the path, select this hole. Neat, right? That's neat. And I think that's it. New body, okay. Yeah, new body. Because we have already created the component, right? So we don't need a new component here. So click OK. Perfect. Now copy this onto here. Before copying, activate this component and select this component and click Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now move it. Yeah, that the distance between this circle and this circle here would be 8 millimeters, right? Because we dimensioned as such while creating this rectangular plate. So select, press -8 here or +8 if it shows you in the positive direction. Okay, and after that, yeah, that looks perfect. Click OK. Great. You bolt 1 and you bolt 2. Now make the other components visible. Okay, that looks a little off, doesn't it? Looks like too much on here and too little on the below side. So let's fix that. Open this U-bolt component and open the sketches and right click on this and click on edit sketch. Okay, now pull this downward. Okay, it's moving, but this isn't moving as fast as the downside, so let's just dimension this instead. Select this point and this line, the upper edge of the rectangular plate, and give it a dimension of maybe 6. Yeah, 6 looks fine, and pull this above. Yeah, that looks good enough, I guess, right? And finish the sketch. Perfect. And yeah, we do not need that anymore, so take it off and let's get back to drawing the new component. The next component would be the rebound plate. Okay, so make a new component. For this, it's a little tricky, okay? So see carefully from here. First, create a sketch on this plane, okay? The second leaf, yeah, I mean third leaf, first, second, third, okay? The edge of the third leaf, okay? Now project this line, this line, okay? Do you see this? Yeah, this line. After that, using the edges of this projected line, I mean edge points of this projected line, draw two other lines vertically with 10 millimeters as the length, and also here. Yep. And after this, yeah, after this, I just need to offset this. Yeah, offset this for 0.5 millimeters, and after that, join the above points to make this a complete surface, I mean closed surface, so it can be extrudable. And after that, just finish the sketch and extrude, okay? Extrude it backwards towards the center of the body. Okay, we don't need that much, just I guess -5 would do. Yeah, looks fine to me. And after this, create a new sketch on this plane. First, construction line from the midpoint, lower midpoint to, yeah, higher midpoint. And now create a circle anywhere of 1 millimeter diameter. Move it as low as possible without interfering with this surface. I mean, like it shouldn't intersect this. Wait a second, okay? Yeah, and here, this this surface shouldn't be intersected with this circle. So let me show you. Ouch. Yeah, because we're going to cut a hole through the circle. So make sure it is as near as possible. That's it. And that looks okay. And dimension this so it stays in that place. Okay, so give it 3.25. Perfect. Now finish the sketch and get to extrude, cut the hole. Yeah, perfect. Right. So if the circle was even below, then we already have position, so it would have cut the first leaf of the leaf spring too, so we don't want that. Now we need the same rebound clip on the left side too, so and with the inverted position. So instead of directly copying it over, we will use the mirror tool. Okay, before that, again activate the parent and click on mirror and click on this. Okay, see, only the surface is selected, so we need the whole component. So select component and select it again. Mirror plane. Okay, select this Y, Z, I think. Yeah, this is Y, this is Z. Why is it mirror plane? That's perfect. Click OK. Yeah, our rebound plates are complete.